Consistency didn't pay off. Are you sure? Let me tell you what I have done in only 30 days with consistency. In last 30 days, I researched 27 new topics, completed the book Atomic Habits for the second time. I won a prize in a competition, got 3 brand offers, gained 3,000 followers. My daily steps was 9 to 10k. I was on calorie deficit on every single day. My diet was super good. I worked out every single day. I worked on my speaking skills. I uploaded at least one single video per day. And if you ask me what I have lost, I lost my anxiety. I lost the fear of being average. I'm not saying that I'm not average, I'm exceptional, but at least I'm not the same person I was before 30 days. And I have lost some so called well wishers. Yeah, and most importantly, I growed my biceps and I'm feeling super good. And if you ask me how was the journey, it was cruel. It was আমার কোনো দিন এমনও লাগছে যে আমি যদি এখন ফোনটা হাতে নিয়ে এডিট করতে বসি, আমি মরে যাব। বাট ফরচুনেটলি আমি মরিনি। অ্যান্ড মাস শেষে যখন এখন দেখতেছি যে আমি কি অ্যাচিভ করছি, লিটারালি আমার ওই কষ্টগুলো ফেড হয়ে গেছে। সো যেহেতু আমি পেরেছি, আপনিও পারবেন। বেস্ট অফ লাক।